Hi. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Windows shortcuts. Number one is Control A. Control A is to select all. And now, do I want to copy everything? Control C is to copy. So let me right click. You see, yes, copy, Control C. Look at the top. Copy, Control C. Right. Why this is paste is Control V. But if I want to cut, look at this sign here. Control X is cut. So if I want to cut, that is Control S is to cut. Control Z. Take for example, this is AnyDesk. Let me say this AnyDesk, I delete it. All right, it's deleted. So there's a way that I can bring this back without going to the recycle bin. And that is the work of Control Z. So Control Z is to undo the action. You see, I Control Z and it's back. And as I Control Z, there's still another action, Control Y. Maybe I don't need it anymore. So I can just Control Y. It's gone. So with this, you can use this anywhere, even if you are typing documents. Let me notch Notepad. If you are typing a document, you can do that as well. You can use the shortcut as well. It's very, very helpful. All right, let me type, type something like this. All right, so let me just, this is JKSD. JKSD is gone. So as I remove it, let me say if I want to bring it back, it's Control Z. All right, I use Control Z. Do you notice what happened? I used Control Z multiple times and it removed everything. Yeah, but I brought everything back by using Control Y. Exactly. So let me try it again. JKSD, Control Z in that to undo the action. And if I want to delete back again, I will use Control Y. So Control Z is to undo an action, while Control Y is to what I've undone to redo it. Yeah. All right. So I've talked about Control A to select all, Control C. Control C is to copy. Then Control X to cut, Control V to paste, Control Z to undo an action, then Control Y to redo that action that has been undone. Now, as it is, there are several things that are on the desktop. Okay, as it is, all these things, they are active. There's a way that I can minimize everything that is on the screen, and that is Windows plus D, Windows D. You see, it minimizes everything automatically. So if I want to bring everything back, I will just repeat the same action, Windows plus D. All right, it has brought everything back. Yeah, that is Windows D. But as things are many, let's say I want to work on multiple files, there's a way that I can click and drag a particular window, a file that I'm working on or application, in order to snap it, blah, blah. But if I want a shortcut that helps me to snap all this thing in place,